something a little different. At around lunchtime, me and my mom made a slime, and we're just gonna. It's really good slime. I really like watching the videos of people folding the slime and doing a bunch of stuff with it. And there's not gonna be any narration, just because I'm just gonna be quiet, because we want absolutely quiet so you can hear the noise that the slime makes. And yeah, guys, if this video hits 15 likes, I will make a video on how to make the slime. So yeah, guys, let's roll the clip.